we have team coverage tonight on this. Nick is breaking down what could play out with the Browns in this way.
But first, Peter Fleischer is in the newsroom with the newly released documents. Peter, what are you seeing? What are you hearing? Why were these charges declined?
Russ, it is important to note that the domestic violence charge against Quinshon Judkins was declined, not dropped because of a lack of cooperation from the victim, as we do see so often. The Florida state attorney reviewed the evidence and facts of the case and felt there is no reasonable likelihood of a conviction. We now know what happened between Quinshon Judkins and a female romantic partner. The two arrived in Florida on July 7th, and while driving from the airport to their hotel, they started arguing about comments his family had made about her in text messages. Both parties agreed that the female slapped Judkins' hand and she punched him at some point, but the two disagree on what happened next. She says he punched her in the mouth. He says he hit her because he feared for his life as he drove the vehicle and was defending himself from her attacks. Now, the female waited 5 days to file a police report, and that might have mattered because it was a delay that the state attorney called problematic. And authorities say while some photos show that the female was sustaining injuries during that altercation, there's no way to confirm which version of events took place, his or hers. Now, Quinshon Judkins can now move forward without legal recourse in this case. He also remains the last unsigned rookie in the 2025 NFL Draft. The focus now, of course, turns to when he can get into a Browns uniform. Russ?
All right, Peter Fleischer, the newsroom. Thank you. Nick Camino is here in the studio with what could be next for Judkins on the field. Hi, Nick.
Yeah, good evening, Russ. Because of everything he's had going on off the field, that's made things a little bit complicated for Judkins and the Browns on the field, right? They've been having training camp, they've had the preseason, and he hasn't really been a part of all that. So, as Peter mentioned, first of all, he's still not under contract, right? He has not signed his rookie deal, the only unsigned rookie that was drafted. In addition to all that, the Browns do have some question marks in that running back room, right? Their depth has been tested. He has not been available, so that's already hurt the Browns and their preparation for the upcoming season. And this, I feel, is very important to mention. The NFL and the Browns have both conducted their own investigations on this, so just because there's no legal charges doesn't mean the league won't suspend Quinshon Judkins. We've seen that before in the NFL. We saw it with Mike Hall. He got suspended for 5 games. So just because the legal stuff, it's, you know, he's done with on the league side of things and with the Browns on the football side of things might not be done just yet.
All right, Nick, we will see you later. Thank you so much.
You got it.